Welcome to OneTouch UltraMini, a blood glucose monitoring system designed to make testing simple. I'll need your attention for the next few minutes so that I can show you just how easy it is to test your blood glucose with the OneTouch UltraMini meter. Let's look at some of the important materials that come with your OneTouch UltraMini blood glucose monitoring system. One of the first things you'll find is the Quick Start Guide. This guide demonstrates step-by-step many of the procedures you will see in the video. Your OneTouch UltraMini meter comes with the battery already installed, so it's ready to use right out of the box. When reading information on the meter display, make sure to hold the meter like this, so that OneTouch UltraMini is to the left of the screen. The custom carrying case holds everything you need for testing: the OneTouch UltraMini meter, OneTouch lancing device, lancets, test strips, and OneTouch Ultra Control solution. You can even fit the quick reference guide inside. You should keep this reference tool with your meter at all times. Also, your meter only uses OneTouch Ultra test strips. These are sold separately and are readily available in most pharmacies. Your owner's booklet covers everything you need to know about testing with the OneTouch UltraMini meter. Please take time to read it carefully. Also included is A Simple Start, Diabetes and Food. The Simple Start booklet provides information about how you can control the kinds of food and amount you eat to keep your glucose level in a healthy range. Now that you're familiar with your system, let's get started. First, we'll review how to set the time and date so that your blood glucose test results are accurately stored in the meter memory. Next, we'll show you how to prepare the OneTouch lancing device. Once you're all set, we'll show you how to test your blood glucose using the OneTouch UltraMini meter. After you begin testing with the OneTouch UltraMini system, you may want to review the results stored in the meter memory, so we'll cover that next. You should also know about control solution testing, and we'll demonstrate how to do this as well. Finally, I want to talk about the Simple Start booklet. OneTouch is committed to creating a world without limits for people with diabetes, and a simple start can help. It's important that the time and date are correct so that you can accurately record your blood glucose test results. The OneTouch UltraMini meter comes with the time and date preset, but you should check and update these settings before you use the meter. With the OneTouch UltraMini, you only have to press 2 buttons to perform most meter operations. When setting the time and date, press the up or down arrow button to make your entry. After making your selection, the meter automatically confirms your entry and moves to the next setting. It's that easy. We'll begin by setting the current time of day. With the meter off, press and hold the down button for 5 seconds until the startup test screen appears. The preset time and date are then displayed for 5 seconds. Next, the hour and minutes appear on the display, and the hour and AM begin to flash. The meter is now in the setup mode. Use the up or down button to select the hour. See, AM automatically changes to PM when you reach 12 noon. And if you happen to scroll past the desired hour, it's easy to go back. After changing the hour, wait 5 seconds for your entry to be confirmed. The hour is now set, and the minutes now flash on the display. Set the minutes exactly as you did with the hour. Press the up or down button to change the minutes and wait 5 seconds. The time of day is now set. Now we're ready to set the date, beginning with the year. Press the up or down button to choose the current year and wait 5 seconds. The month and day are set the same way as the hour and minutes. Press the up or down button to first change the month. Wait for the day to begin flashing, then change the day. After setting the day, the new time and date will appear on the meter display, so you can review each one. If any of your settings are not correct, simply press either button while your entries appear on the display. You will return to the setup mode, where you can start over with the time of day. If your settings are correct, wait 5 seconds. The OneTouch UltraMini meter will save them and then turn off automatically. Your OneTouch UltraMini meter is now set up and will assign the current time and date to each of your blood glucose test results. There's one more thing we need to do before we test, and that's to prepare the OneTouch lancing device so that you can get a blood sample. Remove the lancing device cap by snapping it off like this. Next, insert a sterile lancet into the holder and push in firmly. Gently twist the protective disc until it separates from the lancet. Replace the cap by pushing it back on until it snaps into place. The puncture depth appears in the window near the cap. To adjust the depth setting, simply twist the cap. Smaller numbers mean a shallower puncture, and larger numbers mean a deeper puncture. Remember, with the OneTouch UltraMini meter, you only need a very small drop of blood. Finally, slide the cocking control back until you hear it click. If it does not click, it may have been cocked when you inserted the lancet. Now it's time to test. With the OneTouch UltraMini system, you can test with a blood sample from your fingertip or use certain areas on your forearm or palm, which might be less painful. Your owner's booklet contains important information about how and when to test using your forearm or palm. Be sure to read this section carefully and talk to your healthcare professional before you begin to use one of these alternate sites for testing. Right now, I'll show you how to test using a fingertip blood sample. First, check the code number printed on the test strip vial. Then remove a fresh test strip. Hold the meter as shown here. Be sure the 3 contact bars are facing you and insert the test strip into the test port. The meter turns on automatically. After the startup test screen appears, a code number will appear on the display. Press the up or down button until the number on the display matches the code number on the test strip vial. This code number will appear on the display each time you insert a test strip. Remember to check the code when you switch to a different vial of test strips. It is very important to make sure the codes match each time you test. This is essential to obtain an accurate result. Now, wait for the flashing blood drop icon to appear on the display. This tells you that it's time to apply your blood sample to the test strip. To get a blood sample, hold the OneTouch lancing device firmly against the side of your finger. Press the release button. Carefully remove the lancing device. Next, gently squeeze or massage your fingertip until a round drop of blood forms. Make sure your sample is of at least 1 microliter before you apply it to the test strip. Refer to your owner's booklet for a picture of the correct sample size. Touch and hold the drop of blood to the narrow channel in the top edge of the test strip. Keep holding the drop of blood to the top edge until the confirmation window is full. When the meter detects blood in the test strip, it will count down from 5 to 1. After the countdown, your test result appears on the display along with the unit of measure and date and time of the test. The result is automatically stored in the meter memory. After your test, simply remove the test strip and the meter will turn off automatically. Be sure to dispose of the test strip properly. And that's all there is to testing with the OneTouch UltraMini meter. Pretty simple, isn't it? You can use the meter memory along with your logbook to help you keep an accurate record of all your past results. The OneTouch UltraMini meter stores up to 50 of your test results, which you can view one at a time, starting with the most recent. With the meter turned off, simply press and release